Get your business listed the right way to meet credit issuer and lender creditability approval standards. Business credit is credit attached to a company's EIN. It does not have an association with the owner's Social Security number. Business credit and personal credit are separate. Therefore, these scores can diverge dramatically. This credit is in the business's name. It is based on the business's ability to pay, not the business owner's. Since the business qualifies for the credit, when done right, business credit is obtained with no personal credit check required from the business owner. The business owner won't be personally liable for the credit the business obtains. Business legitimacy matters. Lenders want to feel a company is legit before they will open their wallets. Online and offline business listings aren't just for show. They help establish and bolster business legitimacy. Lenders and credit issuers feel your company is the real deal. If they can't find your business, then that understandably makes them nervous. Establishing professional credibility makes a real difference. A business must be legitimate to lenders and vendors. Now is not the time for your business to hide. You need for it to be found by the right people. Let's move on to your business address. Even if your company is just you and you operate out of your home, you still need a separate business address. There are solutions you can use. A virtual address is a great solution. We recommend Alliance Virtual Offices. Regus and DaVinci are two alternatives. Not every area has virtual office space. If yours doesn't, talk to local entrepreneurs. Find out what they do. What if you need a brick and mortar address? If you need one, Entrepreneur Magazine says location is your #1 concern. Consider your target market and where your competitors are. Take advantage of their research. Be sure the area is zoned for your type of business. Now let's cover your business bank accounts. You are also going to need a bank account devoted strictly to the business. This will be particularly helpful at tax time. This is because the IRS does not want you commingling funds. Make accounting easier and reduce the risk of audit by keeping personal and business funds separate. The simplest way to do this is with a separate account. What about your business licenses? Make sure you have all the licenses needed for running the business. These licenses all must be in the exact correct name of the business. They must have the same business address and phone numbers. Sometimes you will need local, city, or county licenses. Be sure to check. Often the Secretary of State's office can help. Let's recap. You can't just put out a shingle. You need to set up your business. This means a separate professional address, phone and fax numbers, and website and email addresses. Get all needed licenses, get an EIN, and choose a business entity. Get a DUNS number and check if your company has listings with Experian and Equifax. Contact us today to learn more about how to get your business listed the right way to meet credit issuer and lender credibility approval standards.